Hello, and welcome back to Leverage Your Spark. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. Today, we're diving into an inspirational success story of operational transformation. But first, let's set the stage. Imagine a rapidly growing kitchen and bath design company creating luxury residential projects from a simple bath remodel to like a 700 plus square foot kitchen. And managing all of this with hefty 6-inch binders. Picture the team hauling these around, information stuffed inside. It was difficult to find, harder to update, and nearly a secret from the rest of the team. Sounds like part of a plot of a Seinfeld episode, right? Except it wasn't. It was real, and it was leading to frantic employees and expensive mistakes. And it wasn't that they didn't have a process. They definitely did. But it involved groves of trees sacrificing themselves for reams of paper to fill giant binders. They knew they needed to improve that process by adding a more sophisticated system. You see, systems are kind of like magic wands in business and life in general. They have this amazing ability to create leverage, taking the energy you put into them and creating exponential impact. Systems can be many things, but in this case, we needed a software system. Used correctly, they're kind of like fairy godmother that swoops in, waves her wand, and saves the day by making project management a breeze. Systems enable operational improvements, taking considerably less time and effort. And the cherry on top? Fewer mistakes, because the right information is just a click away. Everyone gets a bird's eye view of the status and information, leading to fewer misunderstandings and consistent clarity. And let's face it, who wouldn't trade a massive binder for the power to access information from anywhere, from a handy device like a computer or tablet or phone? So how did we tackle this scenario and take them from like the Jerry, Kramer, and Elaine doing a Three Stooges type exchange of hulking binders to Cinderella on our way back from the ball ordering new shoes from her phone? We did it using our battle-tested Get Results framework. So here's how that goes. We start by defining the problem. Then we create a strategy, and in that strategy we decide on the intent and specify what done looks like. Then the plan, outlining specific steps, timeframes, and owners. Once that's in place, we prepare and train, setting up proof of concept, bringing in some beta testers, and getting the team ready for implementation. This is an important part. After that, we implement the solution. And finally, we evaluate the results by comparing actual versus planned results. You know, how it goes, debriefing and incorporating what we learned. It's a process that emphasizes operational improvements and underscores another important benefit of systems: maximizing time and effort. Now let's talk Payoff. This 5-person organization managed to go from handling around 14 active projects to over 90 within a year. Can you imagine? Now they're finally planning to bring on a couple more people now that they have this kind of workload. But here's the amazing part. Despite multiplying their projects 6-fold, the team can easily communicate, exchange information, and keep everyone up to date with project updates and progress. Not only did this system change allow for expanding the capacity of their current resources, but it also significantly boosted the gross profit for each project. Remember, whatever your challenge, be it bulky binders or clunky processes, there's a solution waiting for you. All it takes is a bit of strategy, some operational tweaks, and knowing you do have the ability to create leverage in your business. In the next episode, I'm sharing a concept for success that can help when tackling process improvement and growth. It's a real MVP, so you won't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this episode, you can head on over to leverageyourspark.com to subscribe, leave us a review, or share with a friend. Everyone deserves to have less stress and more impact. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, keep leveraging your spark to ignite your possibility for ease and profit.